Hi guys, today we are going to be exposing this scammer. She has written in my guest book scammer and I have got proof of it. If we go into messages. Oh, well thanks for that, Google. People are asking me why am I exposing her. But stop exposing her. So I'm gonna type back this. I'm gonna go, well, she should have not done it. She's copyrighted my videos. All I asked her was, can you not she's there. I can't speak. Why can't I speak? Okay, so I asked her literally, all I asked her to do was not to expose me. Oh, stop adding me to groups. Honestly, bruh. Okay, so we're going to get into this video now. Oh, good. So I type back like, what the hell are you doing? Obviously. Alright, so she goes, I'm writing on all your vids in your GBs, right? So I asked her literally, because I was gonna post the one of with her voice, but I didn't want to, so I just kept going with it. And then my mum was like, why don't you just do a video of exposing her? So I said, why don't I, mum? I mean, it's not her face or her voice or anything. So I said, yeah, okay. Okay, so I was like, who scammed you, hun? And stuff like that. And she was like, oh, don't worry. And all that stuff. Wait, I've gone way too far. And then she called me hun. I said, don't call me hun. Don't call me hun, because she's 10, I think. No, I think she's like 11, but she's younger than me anyway. So I said, don't call me hun, it's younger than you. It's weird. Ugh. I hate MSP's scroll thing. I was like, well, can you stop calling me that? I go, same go. And people's been telling me you scam them, and they said don't scam them. So because people have been. And I goes, please change your channel. It's just like mine, because it's MSP_blogs, which is really copying. And same goes with this girl. Wait. So say, oh yeah, I think I'm gonna watch this girl MSP blogs. Types it in. Right. Okay. But then when I do MSP_blogs, her other account pops up right here. And I don't know what's going on exactly. Like, what the actual hell? She has no rights to copy me. Or if we go to one of my videos. Oh shoot, I forgot. It said shoot, guys. It said shoot. But if I click this, and I click one of my videos. Yes, blank my face, please. Ugly face. Heavy upload. Oh yeah, these things are good. The piano, by the way. But yeah, you understand, right? I can't remember what account she was on this one, but she wrote on one of my lives. I know one of them. Very giveaways. I know. Okay, I think it was this one. See, bingo. Here. Here. Go to channel. Thank God I found that. I'm very happy. Oh, don't break. See, look, but she has copied it. Her no videos, no subscribers. And yeah, she is. Look, I just give up. Anyway, yeah, so I said that. And she goes, "You're telling me what to do." I goes, "No, I'm just asking you." I goes, "I'm not." I don't know why I said "I'm" twice. I goes, "I'm not afraid to post that exposed video." She goes, "Well, I said no." I goes, "Suit yourself. I'm posting the video then. It's posting, which will be this one." And she goes, "I'm writing on all your vids and your GB." Okay, so I'm just gonna block her sec so she can't write on any of them again. She goes, "My voice though," and I go, "Still low." Like honestly, yeah, she's. Well, I beat her, man. I have a low stuff. I know. Trying to get level 30. Going to be hard. Let's just block her. I was PM lag. Close this. So now, yeah, but I wanted to show you all that she is a brutal liar. A sad person, like, is there any need? Anyway, that's all. Thanks for well, yeah, so yeah, that's it. This is just a scammer, not me. But yeah, this is just a scammer. Honestly, like, there's no need at all. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.